Alright, so today I'm going to clean up the engine bay. I'm waiting on a cert belt to come in, 103 inch one, so I can delete the AC. It doesn't get here till Wednesday. Today's Monday, so I'm not going to wait anymore to do this. I'll just delete all this stuff when it comes in. So I'm going to clean up the engine bay and put the new intake on. Hopefully it fits over that pipe. It should. And yep, that's it. Alright, so I just emptied this bottle of degreaser. It sketches me out on this truck because I don't want to like, I just spray the valve covers obviously, but I don't want to like spray the plugs that much because I don't want to get these valve cover harness problems. But it was really greasy, so I wish it just looked like this all the time, but it's got the goo sprayed on it right now, so I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then rinse it off with the power washer and then swap this intake out because this one's really dirty, and go from there. Alright, so now that the engine bay is pretty dry, I'm going to go ahead and swap this intake out. I got this one from a buddy at work. Looks like it's the same inlet, 4-inch or whatever. This one's new and this one's pretty old, so I figured I'd just toss it in. I know these are really good for filtering, but I'll keep this as a spare, I guess. I don't know. So I'm gonna toss that on, then do a little bit of shining up and see what I can delete from the AC before I take the compressor off. I think like yeah, these two line, or no, just this line here, that'll come off with the compressor. Maybe I'll throw some electrical tape around that stuff up there. Trim that zip tie down. I thought there was more hoses for the AC. Like, these are my heater hoses. But I can get rid of this canister. I know that because that was for AC. And I don't know if this whole box is for AC, then I can get rid of that and that would be awesome. I really don't want that there. We'll see though. Okay, so old and new, basically the same diameter. Hopefully this slips on and I can just hose clamp it. Keep this as a spare. Okay, there it is. It's a little bit smaller than the other intake. I should just do a hood intake. But I think I'm gonna zip tie this somewhere over to the master cylinder, so it should get lots of air. Like, it's probably alright like that. I don't know, I feel like there could be more air getting in if I go somewhere over here. So yeah, time now, so I'm gonna go do that. But what it looks like for the AC is this condenser. I unplugged this harness and doesn't seem to be any problem with the HVAC, so I'm gonna get rid of this. And let me know what this big box is. Like, can I get rid of that? Because the lines have all been cut on it. So is that just for AC? But it also kind of looks like they're attached. It's attached to this main heater fan box, or the blower motor box. So if you guys know anything about that, be sure to share it. But yeah, I'll get rid of that canister thing. New intake's on. And so I'm gonna have some lunch, come back, delete that thing, and basically shine this up, or try shining it up, and that'll be it. Alright, well, the truck is washed. I got the AC condenser out. It wasn't even connected. I don't know why they didn't just get rid of it. Let me know about that. I guess that's the evaporator core or something. It looks like they have deleted like the AC, like the core from in front of the radiator. The only lines that are left are this one here, so I'm just gonna be getting that built soon. But yeah, let me know about this big box, what I can do with that. Looks like it's all one piece, but yeah. Then I threw some engine shine, like I couldn't do much here, just because like, what am I gonna, like I don't want to pour it on all the fuel parts, but I did like the valve cover this side, and I don't know, I guess I'll spray the boxes there, maybe the brake master and stuff, but yeah, cleaned up. Thanks for watching, guys.